we're all out of balance. It's
Mhm.
COVID, all of it, we're out of balance. And so I take all these theories of, if you put your body into the elements, air and fire and water and earth, and who you are, your earth is who you are. Your fire, your passion is what drives you. Where we get off balance is emotions and thoughts and emotions. That's west and east. And what do we need more than anything else? Air and water, air and water. So it is great to, let's go meditate for an hour. I don't have an hour. I have 30 seconds to pull it together. I've got to walk on stage. I got to walk. So I came up with these things. I was just channeled by spirit going, well, if you invite that mind, body, spirit of creation working dispatch, if you, okay, it's my emotions, that's water. I'm going to run my hands underwater for 30 seconds. Guess what? Everything goes away. Oh, well, that's my air element. I'm overthinking. Oh, wait, I'm not breathing in good. No one breathes well anymore.
Mm.
3 deep breaths, add some valves. Chatter stops, fog lifts, clarity. I need grounding. Hug a tree. If you can't hug a tree, touch anything wood. It still has the spirit of the tree. Grab a pencil.